Hi, good day. Today I want to unbox the Ring cameras. It was a 2-pack I bought. So yeah, it's indoor. It's for indoor use only. So let's have a look what we have. Alright, so let's just open it. Okay, so immediately see the 2 cameras there. So let's just see if we can. So it looks like I'm going to have to take one by one out. There's the one. There's the other one. So I'm supposed to have given you some cords. Sometimes these don't come with power supply, so let's just see. So I managed to get that out. Oh, okay. These are adapters, power adapters, and it comes with a USB cord, and then I think it's just the manuals, and obviously the guarantee. Alright, so basically that's what's in the box. Obviously your 2 cameras. It has that, we call it the privacy screen, or you can obviously close it up if you have to. These are the older ones. The new ones don't come with this screen. You have your 2 USB cables, you've got the power adapters, and then you have your instructions and warranty. Thank you for watching.